the easiest way to cut a watermelon. Quick, clean, and effortless. Hello, welcome back to the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever thought you knew how to cut a watermelon neatly? In fact, most people are still cutting it the traditional way, leaving water all over, sticky hands, dirty plates, and even wasting the sweet juice inside. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to cut a watermelon super fast, super neat, and beautifully, especially ideal for entertaining guests or hosting parties at home. And don't take your eyes off. At the end of the video, I'll reveal a little trick to keep the cut watermelon fresh, crunchy, and sweet for days. No more dry, mushy melons in the fridge. Are you ready? Let's start cutting watermelons smarter from now on. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Carve a bird wing from a watermelon. If you want to cut a melon that is both beautiful and easy to do, it is ideal for impressing guests or decorating a weekend fruit platter. Place the melon horizontally on a cutting board and cut it in half lengthwise. Then use a clean, sharp knife to make the slices nice and clean. Next, cut V-shaped grooves on both sides of the long edge of the melon, as if carving even zigzag lines. Watermelon is a great source of vitamins A and C, which help improve eyesight, boost immunity, and beautify the skin. It is also low in calories and fat-free, suitable for dieters or the elderly. Once you have carved the sawtooth, use a knife to cut across the middle of the melon. Finally, use your hands to gently push the two sides of the melon rind outward. The red flesh inside will burst into equal triangles, like a bird spreading its wings. No molds, no special tools, no crushing. Just a few simple cuts and you have a beautiful, clean, easy-to-eat melon dish, perfect for entertaining guests or entertaining kids at home. Method 2. Create a simple, beautiful, non-sticky shape. Place the melon on a cutting board, cut lengthwise from top to bottom to divide into 2 equal halves. Take half of the melon you just cut, continue to cut lengthwise into 3 or 4 parts depending on the size. Place 1/4 of the melon on the cutting board. Use a knife to cut across both ends to remove the sharp part. This makes it easier to shape and the melon pieces are more even. Place the knife about 2 to 3 centimeters from the left edge and cut a line along the length of the rind. Do the same on the right edge. Note, do not cut through the melon flesh, only cut the rind. Use a knife to gently separate the 2 rind pieces on both sides from the melon flesh. Keep only the rind in the middle as a handle for the melon piece. Using a knife, cut horizontally from top to bottom, dividing the melon flesh into slices about 2 to 3 centimeters thick. Each slice now has a skin in the middle, like a mini popsicle stick. Very easy to hold and does not stick to your hands. Arrange the popsicle sticks on a plate, tilted or stacked depending on aesthetics. Very suitable for buffet parties, family parties, children's birthdays. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Method 3. Take 1/4 of the melon. Place the melon face down on a cutting board. Cut off the two pointed ends to make it easier to shape. Cut the melon into bite-sized pieces. Take the melon and separate the rind from the flesh. Don't cut all the way through, cut 2/3 of the melon. Cut off some of the white flesh to make it easier to shape. Next, place the melon rind on a cutting board. Use a knife to cut 2 diagonal lines from the middle to create a V shape. Do as in the video. After decorating on a plate, you can decorate the center of another melon plate. It's also beautiful. With this method, both adults and children love it. Try it now. Method 4. Make cool watermelon sticks. If you have young children or want to change up the way you eat watermelon, the following tip will make the whole family crazy. Cut the watermelon in half, peel off the green skin to reveal the red inside. Then cut into long rectangular blocks. Use a knife to cut the slices lengthwise into thin slices about 1 to 3 centimeters thick. Take a wooden stick, like a popsicle stick. Gently insert it into the bottom of each slice. Arrange the watermelon sticks in a container and put it in the refrigerator or freezer. Watermelon is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps prevent cancer, especially prostate cancer, and is also good for the heart. Method 5. Cut the watermelon super fast. Cut the watermelon in half horizontally. You will have 2 halves of the watermelon with a very beautiful round flesh. Take 1/2 of the watermelon, place the red flesh side down on the cutting board. This method helps to hold the watermelon firmly, making it safe to cut and avoid slipping. Use a sharp knife, cut vertically from top to bottom through both the skin and the flesh, creating long strips. Cut the watermelon pieces one by one. The watermelon pieces are now easy to hold without using a knife or spoon. Use your hands to gently lift each piece of watermelon out. Arrange it on a plate. You now have a beautiful, easy-to-hold watermelon plate that won't stick to your hands, perfect for parties, picnics, or entertaining guests. Method 5. Cut the melon into a super cute butterfly shape. If you find the traditional way of cutting melons too boring, try creating a cute butterfly shape. Cut the melon in half lengthwise. Use a knife to peel off the green skin to make it easier to shape. Use a knife to lightly carve 2 parallel grooves in the middle of the melon, about 1.5 centimeters apart. These are the butterfly whiskers. Then turn the melon face down on the cutting board. Use a knife to carve 3 large curved lines on both sides of the whiskers. These will be the wings. Cut deep enough to create the shape without breaking the inside. Finally, cut the entire melon into small, bite-sized pieces. You will see the butterfly shape appear right before your eyes. So cute that it makes me smile, let alone the kids who will definitely love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Method 6. Choose 1/4 of the melon. Use a knife to make a cut from the pointed end down close to the mouth of the melon, but do not cut it completely. Gently separate the melon flesh from the rind and set it aside. Cut off the white core of the rind to make it easier to shape. Cut off the pointed end of the melon flesh to make it easier to shape. Continue to make a cut from the melon flesh to the pointed end. Do not cut it completely. On both sides of the cut, cut long strips to create petals or patterns. Turn the melon rind over. Gently fold the 2 sides of the melon flesh together to create the shape. Use a toothpick to secure it and place it on a decorative plate. Process the melon flesh. The melon flesh that was separated earlier, you cut into long strips lengthwise, then cut into bite-sized pieces. Arrange the melon pieces evenly on a plate, combining with the shaped rind in the middle or on the side to increase aesthetics. You will have a delicious, refreshing, and extremely eye-catching watermelon dish, ideal for parties, special occasions, or simply to make your meal more lively. So you've just learned 6 smart ways to cut melons, fast, clean, and mess-free. Each method can be flexibly applied to daily family meals or when entertaining guests, both convenient and beautiful. Now you can confidently turn an ordinary melon into a stage star with just a few simple knife cuts. If you haven't finished eating the melon, store it properly to keep it fresh. There is a very effective tip that few people know. Soak the cut melon in clean water, but do not let it completely submerge. How to do it. Take the remaining half of the melon, wrap the cut part tightly with plastic wrap to prevent contact with air. Then, place the wrapped melon in a bowl of clean water so that the water level is only about 2/3 of the height of the melon. Important note, do not let the cut part be submerged in water. This will cause the melon to absorb water, lose flavor, and spoil quickly. This tip is like a mini cooler, keeping moisture and helping the melon stay crispy and sweet. For better results, change the water 1 to 2 times a day. Thanks to this little tip, you can keep the melon fresh for 1 to 2 days without losing flavor. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you find today's tips on cutting and preserving melons useful, please type 01 or leave a comment "like it" to let me know you love this content. Your likes, comments, and shares are the biggest motivation for me to continue sharing good, easy-to-apply tips for everyone. Don't forget to follow the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Once again, thank you very much for your love and support. See you in the next video.